To show their protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act, the Khasi Students' Union, along with Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo people in Sohra, today the 14th of December 2020, conducted a rally from the KSU office till Site-so-Pent, followed by burning of effigies of CAA, accompanied by shouting of slogans to never allow the implementation of CAA in the area. Taking part in the protest are the KSU leaders of South Khasi Hills District and Sohra Circle and FKJGP members Sohra Circle and Rewar Zone.
Hari lajeng,
kat bangun.
hari lajeng,
Kat bangun.
hari lajeng,
Kat bangun.
Mak ceprang,
Kekari.
mak ceprang,
Kekari.
mak ceprang,
Kekari.
Islam,
Dikasi.
Islam,
Dikasi.
hari lajeng,
Kat bangun.
hari lajeng,
Kat bangun.